Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a tape emulator. For this exercise, we're going to use Arturia's tape emulation. We're going to push our drive first, we're going to enable it, add some extra noise, we'll enable tone as well, and we'll pull that back a little bit. We'll leave everything else the same for now. Now we're ready to listen to it. We're going to push our wow and flutter a little bit more. We'll add some wear and some mechanics. And let's listen to it. Before. After. Try it and let me know what you think.